Very good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Mr. Mabudur Rahman, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Engineering. Today, I will cover some objective questions on enzymes and kinetic, that is part number 3. So, in part number 3, the question is that an enzyme and a reactant molecule maintain relationship as first one is a temporary association, B is an association stabilized by the covalent bond, C option is one in which the enzyme is changed permanently, D option is non-complementary binding. So option number A, that is the correct answer, right? Option number A, that is the correct answer. That is our temporary association, right? Next question, an enzyme that is acid at an initial substrate concentration of 2 into 10 is to minus 10 in 6 minutes, half of the substrate is used. The Km for the substrate is 2 into 10 is to minus 3. The value of K in minute, that is option A is 0.15, option B is 0.42, option C is 0.093 and option D is our 6.693. So here the option number A, that is 0.115 is the correct answer for this question. Next question is the plot commonly used for determining the value of V max is Line-Weaver-Burk plot, Langmuir plot, ID Hofstee plot, all of these. So answer number D, that is the correct answer. It means Line-Weaver-Burk plot, Langmuir plot, ideal Hofstee plot. All of these are the correct answer for the Vmax. Quasi-state, steady state I state is also known as first Michaelis-Menten approach, B is the Briggs-Haldane approach, C is the pseudo steady state and D is the all of the above. It means here the option number C, that is the pseudo steady state, is the correct answer for the quasi steady state and it is also known as pseudo steady state. Next question, which of these enzymes contain a zinc ion? A is the carboxypeptidase A, B is the phosphorylase B kinase, C is the tyrosine hydroxylase and D is the phosphodiesterase. So option number A, that is the carboxypeptidase A, is the correct answer for the enzyme which contain the zinc ion. Next question is a non-competitive inhibitor of enzyme catalyze reaction. A is increase Km and B increase Vmax. B option is increase Km and reduce Vmax. C option is reduce Km and increase Vmax. D option is reduce Km and reduce Vmax. So for non-competitive inhibitor of enzyme catalyze reaction, increase Km and reduce Vmax, that is the option number B, is the correct answer for this question. Next question are an allosteric inhibitor of enzyme usually first A is participates in feedback equation, B the denatures the enzyme, C is a hydrophobic compound and D is the causes the enzyme to work faster. So here participates in feedback regulation is the correct answer. It means A is the correct answer for this question. Next questions are which of the following activities possible by transferases? Option number A is transfer of methyl groups. Option number B is transfer of glycosyl group. Answer number C is both A and B. And D option is none of these. So here option number C, both A and B, that is the correct answer for activity is possible by transferases, transfer of methyl groups and transfer of glycosyl groups. Next question is A classical uncompetitive inhibitor that is compound and that binds. First one is a reversibly to the enzyme substrate complexing yielding in inactive enzyme complexes inhibitors, and B option is irreversibly to the enzyme substrate complex yielding an inactive enzyme substrate inhibitor complex. C the reversibly to the enzyme substrate complex yielding an active enzyme substrate inhibitor complex, and D option is irreversibly to the enzyme substrate complex yielding an active enzyme substrate inhibitor complex. So option number A, that is reversibly to the enzyme substrate complex yielding an inactive enzyme substrate inhibitor complex is the right answer. Last question is, which graphical method that is used to determine an enzyme a degree of cooperativity? So here the option A is hill plot, option number B is coastline curve, option number C that is the Michaelis-Menten hyperbola, and option number D cannot be determined. So here the correct answer is option A, hill plot, right? Graphical method is used to determine an enzyme a degree of comparability through hill plot. So A is the right answer. So okay, thank you for watching. Once again, thank you. Okay, thank you.